Hello guys, today I received this product that I have here, and it's for converting for example, to share the monitor and the TV. Okay, we have also to share keyboard, mouse, and printer. And well, it says that it's a high-speed transmission built in for stable transmission. Okay, and well, the switch, they are 2 in 1 out. So well, here we have also like a lot of instructions in this part. Like the monitor, TV, projector, and more displays devices you put in the output place and then connect it here. And also you can use the desktop, laptop, and more signal sources devices in the input. Okay, so I'm going to show you the product. When we open it, we have the product, obviously. Okay, and it's like this. Then we take this part off, and we have we have all the cables you can use. So this product is incredible because it contains everything you need to use. Just there are this like 2 type of products, all the cables and the converter for converting the products. And then we have here the different type of connections, and also here in this part. Okay, we have the USB type C, HDMI. Oh, okay, from USB to type C, the HDMI out. Okay, and I think this one is the out, and here it is the in, the output and the input. Okay, so I think this product, it helps a lot for maybe converting from one device to another one, or for one laptop to the TV. Okay, and well, it contains all the cables you need. Okay, and I hope you like it.